Okay students, we have seen limiting problems, limits and continuity in the previous exercise and this exercise, and how the limiting value carry over, all those things you have seen. But now the limit and continuity, and in limits how the problems are to be discussed in different varieties, that is what we are going to see. Different varieties means the previous sum was different, now this sum is different, each one is different setup, that is all. The functions are different, depending on the functions we are going to carry over the value, that is all. So, we have to do simple steps. You should know certain factors, factorization method, certain simplification method. At once you know all these things, these problems, this particular problem is simple and easy for you. So, let us see this problem in exercise 9.3, problem number 7, and evaluate, that means find the value of this limiting point x approaches or tends to infinity, this function is given. So, we have to define, see this is the function which is given, we have to do some kind of simplification. For that you need little algebraical knowledge, that is all. You should know certain algebraical knowledge, so that it is easy for you to do that. So, let us think over, let us take this one. First 2x square minus 1, 2x plus 1, x cube by this, x square by this. What kind of rational expressions here? This is also rational expressions. But that means everything is totally different part, p of x by q of x, this is also like this. So, totally is a different one. So, what I do first part, so limit x approaches to infinity, remember that. So, this is a different one. So, first let us take LCM for the denominator. LCM for the denominator, and here 2x square minus 1 here, 2x square minus 1 and 2x plus 1 here, 2x plus 1, 2x square minus 1, 2x plus 1, we have taken LCM. This we have to multiply here, this we have to take over there, because it is x cube into 2x plus 1, remember that, minus x square 2x square minus 1, like this. First stage, let us complete this part. Here what we have done, the simple mathematics, here then we have to do the multiplication part of it. X approaches to infinity, so 2x power 4 plus x cubed minus 2x power 4 minus of minus is plus x square, minus into minus is plus, divided by 2x square minus 1 2x plus 1, like this. So, here the like terms are 2x power 4 and 2x power 4. That means limit x tends to infinity here, limit x tends to infinity, x cubed plus x square whole divided by, here we two terms, here two terms, just multiply. Multiplying 2 and 2, you are going to get 4 terms. That means 2x square into 2x, it is 4x cubed. 2x square in plus 1, that is 2x square. Minus 1 plus 2x minus 2x. Minus 1 plus 1, it is minus 1. So, we found 4 values in denominator, and numerator there is 2 values. Okay. There are 2 values, and denominator there are 4 terms here, and now we have to simplify with the help of x tends to infinity. As x approaches to infinity, then 1 by x approaches to what? It is directly tends to 0, that we know. Now, based on this, let me take here also x cube, here also x cube. So, what I wish to take, I can take the x cube term as common in both numerator as well denominator, because this problem gives strength for that both numerator and denominator having equal degree. So, better to take that equal value for that. Limit x approaches to infinity, that means you take x cube as common. If I take x cube as common, that is 1 plus x square by x cube, remember that in numerator. So, I have taken x cube as common in numerator, x cube bracket 1 plus x square by x cube. Here also what I wish to take, I wish to take x cube as common. So, the first term involves only 4. 4 and x cube is x cube. And if I take x cube, x square by x cube, remember that is 2x square in this part, remember 2x square, that means 2 into x square by x cube, and here minus 2x by x cubed, and here minus 1 by x cubed. See, here I have taken x cube as common for all the 4 terms, by which I have arrived 4 plus 2x square by x cubed minus 2x by x cube minus 1 by x cube. So, here what I should do, this part and numerator part there is x cube, a denominator part x cube. So, here both are getting cancelled, this part. Now, here this rule I am applying, as x approaches to infinity, then 1 by x approaches to 0. Based on that, if I do that, that means this and this part is over. Limit, remember that x approaches to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x divided by, we can put bracket if need be, if not we can take this also, 4 plus 2 by x minus 2 by x square minus 1 by x cube, like this we can take. The terms are like this. So, 1 plus 1 by x and 4 plus 2 by x minus this. See, that means here what we want to have, we are going to apply the value, that is x approaches to 0, x approaches to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0, here 1 by x, here 1 by x, here also 1 by x, it is a multiples, it is a fact, so powers of that 1 by x. So, that means here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0, final answer we are going to apply, we are going to get, that is 1 plus 0 by 4 plus 0 minus 0 minus 0 here. That means in this part 1 by 4. See, in this way we have found out the answer. So, that is simple way, because this one we carried out using this property, that is as x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 1 by infinity, which is 0. That means answer for this problem is 1 by 4. But by seeing this problem you cannot identify, you cannot get the answer, but by way of simplifying and manipulation, after that you are going to get. And here also you should get an idea, if at all equal power in both numerator and denominator, better you take the value of x cube, or x power 4 means x power 4, x square means x square. Here the equal degree is x cube x cube. I have taken out, I have removed x cube, so that the remaining terms are involved with 1 by x. So, that would be easily cancelling, and the remaining value only we got, the final answer is 1 by 4.